Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we are going on not a tree planting but fruit planting time. And this video we are going to plant seedlings for the fruits, and these are the red fruits, okay? And actually these fruits are very sweet. Yeah, that is when ripe. Yeah, so guys, let's dive in and see what we can do about that, okay? Even though I know we are not going to plant more, but we will try as much as possible to make sure that we have the best fruits ever. Okay guys,
so basically you can see we have the seedlings down here, and you can see we have plenty of the seedlings, some of which are in the paper, some of which are in the basins, and you can see how healthy the seedlings are. Basically you can see how green they are. All right, you can see they're so healthy, and na wenye wanajuanga hizi matunda ni zenye zinasaidianga kuongeza damu kwa mwili. Alright, in other terms tunaziitanga nyodore. To those who can understand this, you can see how we have so many, and guys, can you comment on the name of these plants in English term? Alright, now mnaona venye ziko mingi hapa. So hapa ndo tuna prepare for the last 3 months zimekuwa on this section zikimea, and we decided to put them in the paper for them to make sure they nurture properly. So hapa tunakuja kuselect zenye ziko kubwa. So you can see we have one plant, okay, na hapa tuko na shosh is helping us to select the best seedlings for us to go for planting. Oh, we just have to select some sort of 10 plants and we go for the planting. So hapa tunachukua zenye ni kubwa, so you can see we have a variety, and to those who understand, this is about 2 months old seedlings. Si lazima zikue kwa greenhouse, unaweza tumia hadi huku nje, unaweza zikuza huku nje and zita thrive poa. You can see this is a plant. So wacha kwanza to select venye ziko. You can see the size of the paper, the soil is red soil and we have manure in it. So so wacha ni seti hapo. You can see kama inama kidogo, you can see the manure down here, and the plant is healthy. Oh, kanaanguka pole pole, so nikakachukua. You can see we have this, so tunachukua the best seedlings we have, and moja kwa moja tunaenda
there is where we those are the seedlings that we are going to plant, and these are fruits, okay? To those who have done maybe agriculture or something, they can tell us the name of these plants, and the fruits are normally red when ripe, yeah, and they are very sweet, yes. So see you on the other side when we are planting. is where we are going to plant the seedlings. And as you can all see, we have other seedlings that have already been planted before. This is 1 week before, 1 week ago, and I can say they are doing well. As you can all see, we have this plant, and I can say it has grown, and yeah, it is thriving. We have this plant, and actually they are doing so well, I can see that. So let's prepare for other plants. You can see that there in every coffee plant there is a hole to plant the seedlings. As you can see, we have this one, and we have this coffee plant, and we have that one. So I think it is a good idea we plant one here. So let me prepare a hole for the seedling. Guys, I want us to add some manure, and I want us to mix the two, and yeah, so let's see the mixture. Guys, I want us to mix the two, the manure and the soil, to make it fertile, so we have equal proportions to make sure the plant gets the required nutrients, and yeah, it's cool. Yeah. So guys, here we have the plant or the seedling, and as you can see, it is healthy. So we are just going to take it out of the paper, and we just plant it as it is, with the same soil that it was in the paper. So let's see what this goes by. It's going to cut this paper, and the soil that it is in, we just have to let it let the plant remain in that position, and in our prepared hole we just place our seedling, and we bury it from that point. So now this plant is now ready for its full grown. So yeah, let's see in a month how the plant will be.